Hello everybody, I am back with another video. So now that I'm back, I thought I'd do another 10-minute, 1-minute, and a 10-second challenge for you guys. In the process of me drawing and making content on my TikTok, I've been reading this manga called Chainsaw Man. And it is really dope. It's like my favorite manga so far. I really don't read manga. I usually just watch the anime. The only manga I've ever read was probably Death Note. So, Chainsaw Man, one of my favorite. So I'm gonna be drawing this character named Denji, and he has a little dog, and his dog is so cool. You'll see what I mean when I draw this guy. Alright, so if you guys are ready, I'm gonna draw Denji from Chainsaw Man in 10 minutes, and then again in 1 minute, and then 10 seconds. My timer, 10 minutes, and away we go. Alright. 1 minute. Oh, so it's the first time I really drew him, so yeah. That's his dog. His dog has a chainsaw coming out of his head. I mean, if that's not a dope character, then I don't know what is. Time for the 1 minute. I gotta pump myself up. 1 minute, let's go. Trying to draw in 1 minute is so nerve-wracking. Alright, I can do it. I'm gonna start off with the head. Maybe I should start off with the little guy here. Chainsaw, okay. Let me see, I'll start off with the little guy. He's a little circle. He has 2 little eyes. You guys ready? Okay, I'm ready. And away we go. Okay, so I said I was going to draw a circle. And then I know he got his mouth like that. Oh, jeez. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, bop, bop. Oh man. His chainsaw's like this. His hand is over here somewhere. And his body. Don't forget the little spikies. Don't forget the little spikies. I think his hand goes something like this. Uh-oh, I'm starting to run out of ink. 1 minute. Look at him. Oh my goodness. That looks horrible. What was I even thinking? Alright. The moment everyone's been waiting for. 10 seconds. There. 10 seconds. Whoa. 10 seconds. Alright, so let's map this out with the little doggies here. Boom, boom, boom. Guy, chainsaw, boom. Chainsaw coming out of his head. Alright. And away we go. Look at what was I even thinking? What was I even drawing out of his head? Look at his head. Oh man, that's funny. Alright guys, so there it is. There's the 10 minute, 1 minute, 10-second challenge. If you guys haven't read the manga yet, it's kind of gory, so if you go check it out, Chainsaw Man, I'm just giving you a warning. It is pretty gory, just because of the way it is, but it's a good story. I like it so far. So that's the character Denji. That's his little doggy. Pochita. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. So yeah, I hope you guys like the challenge. I got more videos coming for you. So alright guys, peace out. Hey, thanks for watching. How'd you guys like the video? If you liked the video, go ahead and give me a like. And go ahead and comment down below. Alright, I'm gonna need everyone's help here. As you can see, I'm making a spirit bomb. And if you guys want to be a part of my spirit bomb, well, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's see how big we can get this baby.